Stop building dashboards and build this. Not a tool, not a dashboard, a system that runs the whole operation. It's an always on system of AI agents that executes 20 years of customer attraction science across every channel, a custom operating system for your business. Everything connected. One source of truth. Your CRM, spreadsheets, invoices, inbox, and job board don't talk to each other. We build the hub that connects them all. With every number in one place, we fill the cracks. Apply now, and we will build you a custom, full working demo for free so you can see this working. Go to customgrowthos.com to apply today.
What is a growth operating system? Ideally, it's something that brings all the pieces of your business together because there is no one place that all of them connect. And I guarantee you have multiple things that need connecting, like email, like managing ads for your clients, like client reporting. There's so many different things. You're probably using 5 to 6 different tools and then trying to piece them together. Some people are using Go High Level, trying to use that as a source, but most people only use about 5% of that. So a custom growth operating system, I can't figure out a better term because that's as specific as it is, and that's what it does, is something that connects everything that you have running your business together into one place, one cohesive place. Really, ideally, you only have to log into this one place to see everything that's happening for your business. You shouldn't have to go anywhere else to see all the things that you're doing and all the things that need to happen. That's the goal for a custom operating system. You still will need certain external pieces for phone calls, for emails, for things like that. But ideally, everything else is going to follow into this custom operating system. So you have APIs from different sources. APIs are data feeds. So from your email, you might have an API. You tag integrate that into your custom operating system. So then you don't have to go to your email anymore. And then you can have AI write the emails. And then actually it goes all into here and it automatically gets sent out all through this using the API rather than going onto the platform. So that's the one major benefit of a custom operating system. The biggest benefit of custom growth operating system is if you have a ton of spreadsheets, and I guarantee you probably do, most companies are still working off of spreadsheets. They got a spreadsheet for their spreadsheets. For the spreadsheets, each sheet has a spreadsheet. You know what I'm talking about. You can pull all of this together finally into one place by making a custom growth operating system, or it's just a custom operating system that brings in all of your data into one place. You can have full analytics. You can have this look any way you want to. You can have full team chat if you want to get rid of if you want to get rid of Slack completely, you can have it all integrated inside of here. There's so many different things that you can do. It's really up to what you are doing right now that's working. Let's make that work in a custom operating system to where there's automation happening. The simplest things that people still need, every business needs, are your leads need to be automatically followed up with email and text message as fast as possible, every single lead. And then long-term outreach and nurturing needs to happen to all of them. That's just basic marketing and advertising that needs to happen. But for more deeper insights of data, like if you have a ton of data from Google Ads, or even so from, let's just say, call transcripts or emails and things like that from different clients, tying all that data together into like a client brain, tying all of the information of your business together into one growth operating system, one operating system that is built custom tailored to you, that now with AI any level of person could have access to be able to customize and tweak based off of what the needs are. But we already know most businesses have the same exact structure, they just don't really follow it, and that's why they're not growing. Most businesses need to do the same thing, they're just not doing those things yet. That's what the custom growth operating system can do, is fill in the things you're not doing. But for businesses that are already thriving, that just have a ton of spreadsheet data, this is the the promised land that you've been waiting for in technology, is to be able to take all your spreadsheets and not have to hire a team of engineers to go and build yourself out something that actually is usable, data that actually is real directly from the platform, that you could actually change right now. You could actually have AI really through very tailored and specific and controlled automations that can't hallucinate. You could have it actually do the, I would say, junior level of what most businesses really need. A senior level would need some oversight to really tailor it to make sure it's operating in the way that it should be based off of what your business and service is. But you're getting close to almost 90% of what most of the operations of business are doing can be done in a custom growth operating system. So if you are interested in learning more, if you would like to get a demo customized for your business, if you're on spreadsheets, if you have a ton of spreadsheets right now and you want to pull those together into a custom operating system, I will make you a free tailored, customized demo of an operating system for your business. Go to customgrowthos.com. I'll link it below, and you can sign up to get a demo. I got very limited time and very limited budgets to do these demos for free, but I want to help as many people out as possible. So if your business is drowning in spreadsheets, that's the fastest way I can help you out, is bringing all of your data together into one cohesive operating system, not a dashboard. We got plenty of dashboards. We don't need dashboards anymore. What we need is the technology to do the work. And we start that one step at a time, and we isolate it, and we make sure that it has no failure rate. That is guaranteed. So go on over to customgrowthoperating.com and grab yourself a free demo. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below, but thank you so much, and I'll see you over there. If your business is running on spreadsheets, here is what I recommend you do. Build a operating system that can do everything that the spreadsheet does, but actually has intelligence and has some usability of the data in the spreadsheets. That is the state we're at today in the modern day of technology with AI and everything like that, is you can actually build out anything. So this particularly was a project that we had 46 individual clients running Google Ads on, but this was all being done on spreadsheets. So that was the first major objective, and this is an operating system for this agency to be able to run this many accounts on one operating system. There's a lot of other things we can do in this, but particularly, I just want you to understand that you need to stop building out dashboards and you need to build out a spreadsheet. It can do whatever you want it to do. This is, we're really at a point in time where you could get Claude, you could get Kimi, you could get DeepSeek, which is the cheapest one, and they'll do whatever you say. Okay, you just got to get a VPS. Hostinger is a VPS. You easily tell then your Claude or your AI, let's just say it's Claude, right? You tell it to then go and do whatever you're trying to do, and then do it on your VPS. So this right here is my VPS, SSH Spark. SSH is a way to connect into the VPS. And then that's what it does. It goes and does actually what you say to do. But what you want it to do is to take all of your spreadsheets and the things that you're using on the spreadsheets and actually put it into a custom operating system, not a dashboard. Dashboards are just fancier spreadsheets, right? But now we have the ability to actually build full, actual working apps which then make this into an operating system. This can have full read and write access. So most people are very hesitant with AI right now, which I highly encourage you to continue to be. But the people that are actually using AI the best are using it to build things that their engineers are not building. I don't know if you have a software engineer in your team and they haven't built this for you yet. What are they doing? Sorry, but what are you doing? And then this is the way for your whole business to run. Everything else can go into here, any other SaaS, anything else. And a lot of people can't wrap their head around that because the last 3 years of AI have been hallucinations and misinformation. And so now we actually are at a point to where you can actually have it build real usable things, whether you have a bunch of spreadsheets or you have a bunch of APIs. You can tie them all together and then you can have them make them do whatever it is that you want them to do. Okay, this is the operating system base for what they had the biggest need for, and then there's a lot more that it can expand into. But this is what everybody should be doing. This is what a custom growth operating system is it takes the spreadsheets that are running your business and turns it into usable and actionable information and data. Now you could even take it a further step. So, for example, this takes in any calls with this client, any information or communication with this client that's been happening with the team from Zoom or from other sources. You can have AI through very tailored automations, not AI just running loosey goosey, focus automations on each individual point to actually come in here. So let's just say this account is under pacing, right? It's under budget. So what do we need to do here to get this actually working? You can get the automation to actually constantly do that. Now there's a billion different parameters for running ads, different scenarios for why things could be happening, but for the most part, everything can be set very clearly to where almost 99% of all the actions that a human ad buyer would do on platform can be automated programmatically in progression. So you're not just overnight, right? You're building it live on the fly and it's actually real. Start out with just read only. This is read only right now. We haven't fully switched over to write yet, just to safeguard yourself, right? Make it so in this actual VPS, when I attach any AI into it to try to build into this repo in the repository of this code, it will 100% say you must do a proper way of actually editing the code in this code base. You can't just throw things willy-nilly. So there's ways to safeguard it to where you never have to worry about hallucinations or clobbering of code and things like that. But at the end of the day, this is going to be a lot more useful for your business to thrive without a spreadsheet if you have a custom operating system. So I invite you now to go to customgrowthos.com, grab yourself a demo slot. I will make you an actual working demo of an operating system like that based off of exactly what your business is, what you're doing. You'll tell me, we'll put it in there. I'll put in a bunch of mock data to make it look all real. This is real in the back end. And then we'll go through it and we'll talk about it. We can talk about us building it, or if you want to learn how to build it yourself, completely up to you. And then we can take it from there. I have very, very limited time, very limited slots because I work with a lot of larger clients that unfortunately take way too much of my time. But I want to work with as many people as possible. So please book your demo now because soon my time is going to be very, very full coming into autumn and into the winter time. So now is the best time to really take advantage of this. And let's build you out a custom growth operating system. Thanks so much. And let me know if I can help you out. I'll see you in the next video. What kind of data can you plug into a custom operating system for your business or for any business? And really, it's any platform that has an API. An API is a way for data to talk, it's a stream of data. So, for this particular example, this is a custom operating system. And really, this helps businesses that are either drowning in platforms, they have too many platforms with different data sets all over, and they need them all put together into one place and then into actionable information. Or if you have a ton of spreadsheets and you don't have platforms and you just have a ton of data everywhere, this is really going to help you out the most because you can take either all your spreadsheets or all your individual platforms that have APIs, and then you can just easily combine them all together into one custom growth operating system. So, for example, this client had 46 live Google Ad accounts that they're managing that are individual clients. So there's a ton of data in there. All of that was being managed and ran on a spreadsheet. And this is only one of multiple spreadsheets. And the source of truth was the spreadsheets, and then they would have the Google Ads manager go in, and it's very convoluted. There's a lot going on there. So what we did was take all their spreadsheets, create a custom operating system for them that combined them all, and then any logic and math and algorithms that were being used in the spreadsheets to come up with information, and then added it in here to a custom growth operating system. So you can add as much data into your own custom operating system. If you are using multiple different platforms and you want to keep them all, you can combine them all into one so you have one cohesive place, one source of truth for all of your data. Or eventually you can just move off of all those platforms. Most of them can be custom built very quickly, or there's open source alternatives that we can just easily use very quickly as well. So if you're looking to get your data combined into a place, or you have a ton of spreadsheets and you would like to combine those into one place, that is what a custom growth operating system can do and will do for you. So if you're interested in getting one of those, what I'm doing is building out actual custom operating systems as a free demo. So you sign up, go over to customgrowthos.com. You will then tell me information about what your business is, what you got going on, and then we'll create an actual working real demo for you, and then get on a call and then go over that demo and how it works, how it can take all your data, make it a lot more usable, make it a lot more interesting and actionable, how we can automate all of it, a ton of stuff. And then you can have the demo, you can have the OS if you want to. Obviously, if you can figure out how to install it and all that type of stuff, we'll give you as much information about that as you want, or you can talk to us about how we work to install these into businesses and how you can work with us. So check out Custom Growth OS and go and build yourself one if you can't afford to work with us.
Go to customgrowthos.com to apply today.